You're looking for a silent sewing machine, but every product page sounds the same. Quiet operation, smooth stitch, perfect for home use, same claims, same photos. But here's the hidden truth: most machines still hum, vibrate, or make that annoying buzz when you press the foot pedal. The real difference isn't in the marketing. It's in how well the machine isolates noise at the source. And that's what separates the ones that actually deliver silence from the ones just pretending to. Product number 1, Brother XM2701. Let's start with the Brother XM2701, a solid mid-range option at $167. This lightweight machine weighs just 12.6 pounds and has a compact footprint, so it won't dominate your craft space. What stands out is its 27 built-in stitches, including stretch and blind hem styles, plus an automatic needle threader. At your side, support gives you free lifetime help via phone or chat, which is rare and actually useful. If you want a reliable, beginner-friendly machine that doesn't scream when you turn it on, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal frame adds stability without adding weight, and the fixed needle bar reduces wobble, which directly cuts down on vibration-based noise. Most importantly, users consistently note how much quieter it runs compared to older models, especially on cotton and denim. With over 9,000 sold last month, it's clear people are noticing this improvement. Now, some reviewers mentioned the plastic casing feels a bit flimsy, and a few had issues with the foot pedal squeaking after months of use. That said, the squeak usually comes from wear, not design, and replacing the pedal is simple. This is perfect if you're a home sewer who sews light to medium fabrics, want quiet performance, and don't need quilting features. Skip it only if you plan to tackle thick upholstery regularly. This isn't built for heavy-duty work. Product number 2, Brother XR9550 PRW. Now, if the XM2701's limited stitch count felt limiting, the Brother XR9550 PRW takes a completely different approach. It's built for quilters and advanced sewers who demand precision and power. The wide table adds serious workspace for large projects, and the 8 included feet mean you're ready for everything from darning to zipper insertion. The automatic needle threader works reliably, and the drop-in bobbin is as easy as ever. But what makes this quieter than most is the heavier build and improved motor damping. Users report significantly less vibration, especially when sewing dense layers like batting. However, several long-term owners complained about the hard case scratching the finish after a year of storage. Also, the extra size over 10 pounds makes portability tough. Still, if you're doing intricate quilting or garment construction, the stability outweighs the bulk. This is perfect if you're serious about sewing, need quiet operation under pressure, and want professional-level control. Skip it if you only sew light blouses or baby clothes. You're paying for capability you won't fully use. Product number 3, Brother CS7000X. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between power and portability. The Brother CS7000X offers 70 stitches, a large needle-to-arm workspace, and a protective hard case, all in a package that's slightly heavier at 14 pounds but still manageable. Users love how smoothly it handles quilts and denim without shuddering or humming. The automatic needle threader is faster and more accurate than earlier models, and the wide table helps with big projects. With 4,000 plus sales per month, it's gaining real traction. Some buyers noted the user manual could be clearer, and a few found the speed adjustment button too sensitive at low settings. But honestly, those are minor quirks, especially compared to the consistent praise for how quiet it actually runs. This is perfect if you sew frequently, want room to grow into more complex projects, and prioritize quiet, stable stitching. Skip it only if you need ultra-lightweight travel capability. The case helps, but it's not designed to be carried often. Product number 4, Brother CS5055. If you like the CS7000X but wanted something lighter and slightly more affordable, the Brother CS5055 steps up with 60 stitches and a sleek design. Weighing 10.5 pounds, it's one of the most portable full-featured models out there. Like its siblings, it has a metal frame, automatic needle threader, and a large workspace. But it cuts costs by using more plastic in non-structural parts. Buyers appreciate how quietly it operates on standard fabrics, and the LCD display is easy to read. Over 3,000 sold monthly shows strong demand. However, some owners reported the plastic casing developing cracks near the base after 6 months of heavy use. Others mentioned the speed slider occasionally sticks when adjusted rapidly. Despite that, the motor itself runs cleanly, meaning the noise you hear is minimal to begin with. This is perfect if you're a hobbyist who sews weekly, wants quiet operation, and values portability. Skip it if you sew daily or work with thick materials. The plastic components aren't built for sustained heavy duty. Product number 5, TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide. Now here's something you didn't expect. A silent sewing machine accessory that makes your old machine quieter. The TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide $11.57 isn't a machine, it's a tool that reduces fabric slippage and guides straight seams without extra tension. Made of stainless steel with strong magnets, it clips securely to the needle plate and works with most brands. Users say it's especially helpful on slippery or thick fabrics where inconsistent feed causes vibrations. While not a machine replacement, it's a budget-friendly way to improve performance and silence common friction-related noises. No reviews exist yet, likely due to its niche role, but early testers praise its precision. This is perfect if you already own a decent machine, but get inconsistent results or unwanted noise from fabric handling. Skip it only if your machine has a built-in seam guide. You won't benefit from doubling up. So which silent sewing machine wins? The Brother XM2701 offers the best quiet value for beginners. The CS7000X delivers superior stability and silence for quilters. The XR9550 is ideal if you want maximum features and don't mind the size. The CS5055 balances portability and performance at a sweet spot price. Choose based on your project needs, not just decibel claims.